I'm going to teach you how to add custom intervals or timeframes in TradingView. If you're a trader or someone who likes to keep a close eye on the markets, you might find the standard timeframes provided by TradingView a bit limiting. Fortunately, creating custom intervals is straightforward and allows you to tailor your data observation to your specific needs. To start, you need to be on any chart of your choice in TradingView. You can choose any market or instrument, whatever you're currently analyzing or interested in. Once you've got your chart open, your attention should turn to the top of the interface, where you typically see the widely used timeframes like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 1 hour. You'll notice a drop-down menu here that consolidates all of these options. This menu is your gateway to setting up custom intervals. Go ahead and click on the timeframe drop-down. This click brings up a list of the standard timeframes progressively organized in ascending order. It's here that TradingView displays these predefined intervals such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, or even 1 day. But our focus now is to bypass these standard selections in favor of something uniquely suited to your needs. Once you scroll down the menu, direct your eyes towards the bottom part of the list. You'll find an option titled Plus Add. This is the feature TradingView provides to customize your graph viewing experience. With a simple click on Plus Add, a new window or field will emerge, ready for your input. Here's where the magic happens. Now you can decide exactly what you wish to see. Whether you're more comfortable with less common intervals like 6 minutes, 2 hours, or perhaps 3 days, this is where you type it in. Simply enter your desired time frame, whether it's shorter, to capture more granular movements, or longer to gauge more extended trends. After you've entered the time frame you want, hit enter. The fantastic part about TradingView is that it automatically integrates your custom interval into the time frame bar, instantly available whenever you need it. It's right up there with the standard intervals, making it super easy to switch between different perspectives without a second thought. What's really beneficial about being able to customize this feature is it can maximize the insights you gain from data and potentially give you a leg up in your trading strategy or investment analysis. These tailored intervals can provide more clarity, helping you make informed decisions based on your unique trading style or market hypothesis. And there we have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a custom interval to your TradingView charts. Feel free to experiment with various timeframes to see which ones fit best with your analytical needs. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.